afternoon, guys. It's 12 p.m. and I'm on my way. It's Tuesday, by the way, if I didn't say. For September, I'm on my way to pick up some packages at Kentex. So I'm around Mitsumi. I don't know. So my subscribers love my hair. The way my hair is from Maven. My wig. See how I forget myself. My wig is from Maven. I have 2 packages picking up today from Maven. Some subscribers asked me if I can purchase the wig for them. So yeah, so if you want me to hook you up with the Maven hair, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm on Mutiti Road and I'm going to a building called Mitsumi Plaza. Yeah. So what's new in Nairobi? Local news. Vibanda local flea market are being demolished after petrol imepanda, gas imepanda. So that's new. Oh, and another thing I know you'll ask. So when I ship with Kentex cargo, it takes 21 business days for my parcel to arrive from US or abroad. Yeah. So I know you may ask, Kemunto, why don't you shop with Posta? Well, I tried first, and let me tell you guys, it was not a good experience. My package got lost, and no explanation, nothing, just got lost. So that's why I stick with Kentex. So this is where I'm going, by the way. Going to the lifts.
There you are. You made the payment?
Yeah. Are they 2? The service charge for the shipping is normally $15. Now I'm going to deliver the packages to the individual. So if you want to shop with me, you can shop. Just DM me at Kemunto 2016 on Instagram. I'll send you the details. Oh my god! Today is Wednesday. It has really been a good day. I'm so happy. I've attended meetings, fruitful meetings. Yay!
SHI RKO Shirko Media.
unboxing. I just got out from Miniso. Today was a good day. Oh my god, I finally got a tripod. The first one broke. That's a problem with generics. So this one is a JOBY grip tight this one is a JOBY grip tight 1GP stand. It's for my phone. Yeah, because I vlog a lot with my phone when I'm out, because people in Nairobi don't want us to vlog. So yeah, we have to vlog with our phone. Yeah, so let me do a little unboxing. Oh, if you're going to ask me about this at Universal Gift Center, it's on Kenyatta Avenue. Yeah, you know, like where Simas was, right there on Kenyatta Avenue. You'll find it. Karibu na GPO. Yeah. So yeah, let's unbox this. It can hold a phone and a camera. And I bought it at 6,000. Yeah, I know online it's like $34, but when you take care of it, then I'm so excited, you guys. So excited. It's steady. I get so happy when I open boxes, new stuff. It just excites me. When I go to a camera shop, I get so excited. I hope it's really easy to use. Okay. So it extends to like 56 to 91 millimeters, 2.2, 3.6 inches. So like, yeah. It doesn't bother like my people to touch. Vlogging like a vlogger. What's up? Perfect. I'm happy. So happy. Today is my day. It can bend. Wow. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel.